Hey friends, thank you guys so much for watching. Today I'm doing this glowy spring makeup look inspired by Adrienne Houghton of The Real. Do you guys know her? I love Adrienne Houghton. I love her in The Real. I love her in Cheater Girls. And she has her own channel, you guys. It's called All Things Adrienne. She posts every Tuesday. She helps you get a little bit of glam into your life in beauty, fashion, home decor, entertainment. And all her videos are so fun to watch. Thank you so much to Kin for sponsoring and collaborating with me on this video. So if you guys are interested, continue watching so that we can recreate Adrienne's glowy spring makeup look that I actually found on her channel. I did all her techniques, so this is what it looks like on me. But let's go ahead and go over it. And you know, I have oily skin, and I think it's totally working for me, even though I have oily skin. So let's go ahead and get started. So in Adrienne's video, I saw that she was wearing a floral robe, and I was like, let me be like her and wear a floral robe. And so the first thing she did was apply foundation. So before I did that, I already moisturized, because you gotta moisturize the skin, and then I already primed my skin with primer. So the next step would be foundation. So Adrienne used a darker shade than what she really is to have that beautiful, like, glowy, tanned look. So that's what I'm doing. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get some pumps of foundation. And she says to not use a matte foundation, so I'm not gonna go with my favorite matte foundation. Instead, I'm going with something high with SPF, because that's good for spring, right? Oh my goodness, all my makeup's falling down. And now she says to, like, okay, hold on, let me use all the foundation that I have. Hopefully it's not too much. She says to bump. She used a sponge, so I'm just doing whatever she does in her video to really recreate her look, or at least try to. I wish I had eyelash extensions though. She had some cute eyelash extensions and they looked so good. Dang, you guys, I miss this. I haven't used a beauty blender in forever. So Adrienne uses all cream products for this makeup look because it looks dewy and glowy, and she calls it fresh morning dew. I think that's so cute. So I'm using a cream contouring stick on the forehead like she did. This is really dark, so I'm just doing a little bit right here. She does the nose too. She does one here, and then she does her chin. I heard to do it under your lip too, because it's supposed to make your lips look bigger. And Adrienne used a brush to blend it all together. I actually have never used a brush. I never have. So this is fun. So the reason why you do your forehead, because, you know, when you get sun-kissed, you tan right on the forehead, right? So here I'm blending the nose. And I'm looking down because that's where my mirror is, you guys. Okay, so contouring is done. What do you think? Did I look more tan? I think so, especially right here on the forehead area. So next, Adrienne goes in with some concealer to brighten up her under eye area, like that. And then I like to go on the mustache area because it's dark over there. And then I like to just do the forehead too. And she says to do the forehead because you got to add brightness to your forehead because you added, you know, that contouring stick on the forehead. So I am doing what she's doing, and I'm so excited. Oh, and on top of that, I saw that Adrienne put some concealer like right here too. Like where she had contoured like under it. I think my contouring, like, I smudged off a lot of it, but it's okay. We're gonna keep going. And the thing that Adrienne does and that I find so relatable is she goes back in with her makeup and adds a little bit more and blends a little bit more, because that's how people do their makeup. Like, they look at their makeup and then they're like, wait, I need to do more. I need to do less. I need to blend it in. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna add a little bit more contour right here just because I'm feeling like it. And then use my brush, but not so much with a heavy hand this time, because I think I went in with a heavy hand and I smudged it all off. So here, it's looking much better. Do you guys see it? You guys can see it a lot more. Okay, so Adrienne mentioned that she's going to use some of that concealer And she's going to brighten right here on the sides because she contoured the nose. But now it's time to brighten the sides after contouring the nose, like right here. So that's what I'm doing with the leftover concealer. So next is the brows. She likes her brows to like stick up. I love that look, you guys. But my eyebrows are not long enough. And they just haven't been groomed in a while. So let me just try at least. I'm like brushing the brow hairs up like she does. And then I'm going to fill it in with some pencil. But I want it to have like that, the hair standing up. I love that look. But these brows, I just don't have a lot of them, you guys. Yes, what a difference some brow pencil makes. And now I'm going to set it with a gel, and then I'll do the rest for the other side of the brows. But I just wanted to show you guys the difference. And I'm having the brows kind of stand up just like Adrienne's. I love that look. Like it's kind of like spiked up. Brows are done, my friends. I'll fix it up later on, but for now, this is what they're looking like. And then I saw that Adrienne put like a shimmery like stick underneath her brow bone. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna use that shimmery stick, put it right under. And then she used like a tiny concealer brush. So I'm gonna do what she did. So I'm gonna grab that concealer brush and really blend it under the brow bone. Dang, I am feeling glowy already. This is great. This is a wonderful spring look already. Like I'm feeling bronzed. I'm feeling shimmery. Glowy for sure, but that could also be because I'm oily. But I totally feel very glowy. So yes, we're going to do that brow bone. Again, just because I want to do it extra because I really enjoy that look. Dang. So let's keep working on our eyes, you guys. So we've got the brows and all of that. And then Adrienne did something so fun. She grabbed the contouring stick that she used for contouring and grabbed an eyeshadow brush, like probably one for the crease. And she used that color for her crease, and I love that. And she says that she likes it because it's the same color as her contour, and so it has like continuity to it, and I am loving that. I am learning all these makeup tricks from her, and I am loving it. It goes to show that you don't really need a lot of makeup products to create like a really nice look, especially like a effortless look. Like this is like a minimal look. Yes, it did take quite a few products, but not as much as others, you know what I mean? So next, it's highlighter, and again, Adrienne uses a cream, so I'm going in with a cream right here. I'm going to grab a bunch right here, and I'm going to put it on the back of my hand to really warm up the product and get some more. And Adrienne mentions that the warmth of your hand will really blend in the color really well for highlighting. So let's start. Let's just apply it on like that, top of the cheekbones. And I'm going to grab a little bit more of that highlighter and apply that on. And then Adrienne likes herself some highlighter on her nose and then the Cupid's bow. I will probably put more on the Cupid's bow like after I do my lips, because then I'll really see it. And then, of course, my favorite part is that she uses it again for a different purpose. She uses it to apply as an eyeshadow on the eyelids, which I really love. So now I'm going to add some cream blush to the cheeks using my finger again, applying it on the back of my hand. So if my hands look really dirty, it's all good. Or, you know, it's just because I have product all over the back of my hands. So I'm applying it right to the cheek and patting it on. And she mentions to not use any brushes because then it'll brush off your contouring, your highlighter, all of that off. And this look definitely makes you look glowy. So if you have oily skin like me, maybe at the end of the day you're going to be looking like your face is wet. But for a few hours you're going to be looking like a glowy goddess. Gonna add a little bit more. That's on the back of my hand. Yes. Oh my goodness, this is so embarrassing. My finger came off. I'm wearing press-ons and I did not even realize one of my fingers came off. You know what? It's all good. It is all good. No shame at all. I'm going to just keep on going. Where'd you go, little finger? Oh my, I guess I didn't press it on, you know, long enough and hard enough because little finger came off. Oh my goodness. Let me know if you guys were watching and you noticed when it fell off or was it off the whole time, because dang. And I was like, oh my gosh, these nails are so cute. I bought them when they were on sale. I actually bought like, I don't know, like 12 or even more than that when they were on sale. Anyways, I think they're fun, you know, like the bright, colorful. You don't have to commit to it. You can just snap them off the next day or a couple of days, whatever. So now it's time to line the lips. I am going to use this lip liner. I think it's the same one Adrienne did, because if you guys go to her video and check out the product she uses, I think this is it. This is the one that she uses. So I'm really excited that I have the same thing, because I tried to use exactly what she has, but I didn't have like a lot, so I just use alternatives, you know. Now to the gloss part. Adrienne likes herself this shimmery gloss. I think it's exactly the one that she uses. It has like iridescence and glow to it, so that's why I'm gonna use it too. And it smells freaking good. It smells so good. So I'm gonna just pop on some lashes and I'll be right back, you guys. A little bit more mascara because I love myself some mascara. All right, my friends, so this is the makeup look. I really like it. It's really glowy, if you guys can see that. I'll be right back. I'm gonna just do my hair and change my outfit. All right, friends, I am back and I curled my hair with a hair wand. Like I always do, put some hairspray on it to keep the waves looking wavy, because I have that type of hair that always like goes straight, you know, so hairspray is a must for me. And then I changed my shirt, but this is the makeup. I hope that you guys like it. I do. Thank you so much to All Things Adrienne Houghton, for inspiring me, for having me try like a new makeup look that I would never have tried. Like sometimes I worry that creamy makes me look too greaseball like because I have oily skin, but honestly, like looking into the mirror, not really the camera because I don't really see because it's kind of far, but really look into the mirror right here, I see that like my skin is glowy. And maybe in the close-up shot of the other like angle of the other camera, do you guys see? Yeah, yes, you see it. You see that highlighter. I know you do. I know you do. Anyways, friends, thank you again, Kin, so much for sponsoring and collaborating with me on this video. Definitely subscribe to All Things Adrienne. One of my favorite videos was her entertaining video. It was so helpful because like my family, we have people over a lot. We entertain a lot. And the way she like made her hummus and made it look gourmet, like she straight up bought hummus, but then she like added stuff to it and it just made it look so gourmet and so homemade. I love like those little tips and tricks that she shared for entertaining. Her house is beautiful. I love that she shares like affordable and also high-end mixed together, and it's just so helpful. So I hope that you guys try this spring makeup look. I will link All Things Adrienne down below and also the specific video that inspired me to do her makeup look. I appreciate you guys. Please subscribe if you haven't. Give the video a thumbs up if you haven't. And you guys can also find me on Instagram. I love you, friends, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.